Captain Smart uni chasere say wotewa wudi Akufo Addo atem say wakum Ghana for aden na wagimi nti wadwen ya adwuma
Enti some no Edu headquarters the almighty Twene Jonas any Ghana for no abe class Captain Smart for attacking Akufo Addo prior to the Accra flood na course one also captain ebe kaizen ko wotumi a enko be order say yen chi Akufo Addo entum nke de besi bia ensi ese o kire say diska bi Akufo Addo mo ana omu di ye eye omu bra bono mebo yintina ma flood we koso sansem na okan ye no eno na Twene Jonas ene Ghana for no say captain bra betie nyansa I Penyah broken here. Let's say any demo. Over like video, no that my bros subscribe button, somebody click notification and connect latest updates. Number to the wide in the mama, comment section. Over so. Not your first any biasha. No matter phone nala money send up any day amount. Oh USA, oh UK. So person sends ka ediko fia some dream. Abra unya boni hu unte ho boni bia. Omo ho wa oyemo nhyehywa. Twenala app on eto phone so. Register account. Never me promo code Penyah TV essence ka ekofie. Net ka no code do fia. You best charge $20 for free. Aya na lanko a. And I must such an amazing offer and package to their customers. Enjoy with Nala. Now let's go to the story. I was saying say it was 2019 and a World Bank for I approve it can be Edema Akufo any Bawumia government. No, just Omo first can and check Akufo Omo de ma Ghana. May 2019 and Omo approve $200 million Edema Ghana. It's a carrier no. Yanfa any drainage system ewa Accra. Na yemfa bi enye deselting of what gutters ene bridge say emu sisie no yentiti na yemfa bi ensure proper sanitation ewa Accra na afezi yemfa bi enkoye some works bi ewa flooding prone area baby enso to e hotel yire no yemfa bi enkoye some services bi ho so that e ho no should flooding happen kwana we can control it na fe yensa enfa bi enkote the Addo river nimu Addo river or down a river yemfa bi enko team and its tributaries yenko dredge enko bemu ema omu ye no some 7 to 8 years developmental project. It was to start 2019 now call we 2027 so we can prove $200 million edema Ghana sebroni ye bibi amount enya bosa na wakwa akwaje ono na every payment obi bibi e de achewa sika no yemfa ma wo mom. But omu say, as the project progress, then they will be giving you the money bit by bit by bit. Yeah, mom, 200 million. A bit come and be about 10 million. Now more they are started. If you started, now then you account for the 10 million. No more say they be about be kahon. Sana this can etie. Yan farm mamu. So it was in 2023. And the say oh there be $200 million now. Ha enso. It just approve a be enka ho enfama wom. And we approve another $150 million. That's no. World Bank ebema Ghana $350 million. Ese yemfanya sa dwumade na bobo so ewo Accra so that enso to a enyiri emfa Ghana bi. Mind you maka says kan yemfa ma wo cause eyomu ene ye project ntin sika no ma so ye. It is a mo ye de kakra ba na mo de aye adwuma mo ye wi a mo ya be wi a no msa de foforo asaba na mo sa de no so atoa so e no so ya be san no msa de foforo aba ba so mo de ba na se munya mfa ni adwuma ni nwie ya o mo mfa biem emeka ho o mo mfa biem ma sana ete but sa $350 million we no the moment amount for eco reading who say yes World Bank approved they think say sika ne beduru Ghana ha ye de ni nyina bo mu bre Akufo Addo ne Bawumia mo ana o ma mfa anya adwuma it na end before now start peddles and falsehood be on the internet and I'm so my World Bank for 2025 we no 206 we memu omu edit statement about bonten through their website and omu edin koma efa project na omu eye edema Ghana no say yetete Accra gatamu ye drainage system ye show sanitation Accra no dia amana delay and omu kiremu say sika no omu di emu $127.1 million ana aba Ghana hadamo from 2019 na omu approve is kanama ayedo dia be kan yensa $127 million na $127 million no ya used to be ama akabi na ebi na aka na Garrett Fund no Greater Accra Resilient Integrated Development that Garrett Fund omu create ya no emu na sika na eda under the Ministry of Finance it is kind of eda honomo but Akufo is not releasing the funds. Akufo is delaying the movement of the money from the coffers of the Garrick Fund to the respective, contractors, so that only better to us aye adwuma no. They say according to World Bank no, the finance ministry, current finance ministry, sika no so, they are not allowing the money to flow. Omo te so. Eno mo say akire mo say sika nko mo track here. March 2026, this finance ministry ekoyi mu 13.8 million Ghana cedis. Omo anfa nko project ne so. Na omo discan akoya de foforo. Sika na World Bank de abra Ghana na ni nyina beduru ha de, but kakra na beduru na ye de ye adwumade ekono. Atofo sinema koyi bi. E de akoya de foforo. World Bank eni discan nyina achi. Ema February mu no omo koyi about $10.5 million SF sika na emu. Meanwhile project no yansan to aso. February omo koyi $10.5 million efri mu. March omo yi 13.8 million Ghana cedis efri mu. But project no yan to aso so kan bomu a omo yi about $13 million ana efri mu. But project no so a yan to aso. Emma na World Bank e de so bo no e bo atofo ne front me say omo na e delay because omo person dey ano sika ni biam esa be count because aka $222.9 million and a World Bank for na so ya omo say scan esa be kan Ghana ho but kakra di ka ba no yemfa ni dwuma ni nwie eto omo ntimi emfa biemu ensa ama what I say omo ntimi fa biemu ensa ama na sika mi che trom say yemfa nyina ma Ghana no eno ana endis for the air and falsehood bi say the moment omo hu say World Bank approved say approved just sika be do Ghana meanwhile they didn't check to see say omo approve ya maye de say omo de be maye but omo de maye nkakra abra ogosu ye adwuma na de ma nkakra say they tell me nyina bomu e de abra say no enye sa no tie but omo nya tie say World Bank approved now say this Canada since that part of kogunim pass and Jimmy politics and omo play with it no and am so Emma Accra flood the happiness here no Captain Smart ebe gina ka say ene e was think etimi ko chi Akufo de ne Bawumia ne Zadapa mu nyina gum na yi omu ana World Bank say de ba ye no omu edi sika no me wa sika no kura nyina meduru Ghana ha no mo
we say from 2017 basic 2024 Addo River Honkwano MPP just $466 million. I mean what to me be a mafia can never me Addo. I'm being honest.
Your Excellency.
Send me what to me be a one. Anka say a say constitution say obi di man Penyah ena odi man Penyah no kokona wedi awie no agimfie du no the constitution is not a fetish
obade say for Addo enkonko say no nanya wodi a
say me what to me be anka ne meme ya chi Akufo Addo
obade say for Addo enkonko say no nanya wodi a
say me what to me be anka number 2 enne meme ya chi Bawumia
emfichire nema wa say waba ne yesterday.
Number 3, aka be Cecilia da power bia mekwa kwa hwere me ya che no.
Ojae.
Ka mechi Patrick Boa maka ho. O ma me ne wan. Omo yare.
Me was sika ni nyina no e meduru Ghana ha out of the $350 million na World Bank e assign so no Ghana no emu $127.1 million ana beduru Ghana ha the remaining $222.9 million and still with the World Bank. Adwuma ne nyam to as ntiam to as just say omun first can be san fa mai. And according to World Bank no from last year 2024 November till date yan to adwuma ne so from 2024 November till date adwuma no yan to aso o maja adwuma no ho ada sika ne gu ho no mo ana o mo di ade foforo na fa attack when Captain Smart out of ignorance and stupidity and foolishness tibon cause hwini ni tirimo obe ready attack against Akufo Addo eno ana Twene Jonas ene Ghana for the hwe captain ya ntwema unye nipa nsi no bia we ene semu a obaka je Captain Smart
uni twasere say wotewa wudi Akufo Addo atem say wakum Ghana for aden na wagimi nti wadwen ya adwuma Akufo Addo afiri akonwa so saying 2 years John Mahama na aku omo aboaba aden na bibini agimi itu ye ndisi ni na wadwen so nya adwuma Akufo Addo na aku omo jimi tu kasa no hu se oya aboa nipa ni nipa wa bio Akufo Addo no Oni power o Tom Captain Smart abue. Onia TV from way. Akufo Addo ni power bi o Tom amwe.
Ebusuafo me pa chaw se won saka me video a me sere wo pa share ma me wate na like na repost me pese wo share e ma na kodu Captain Smart ho sa akwa na wo te Ghana ha na sebe nya on kanyansa sem agimisem nko ana wo ka no a me nim de nti a MPP force we ja no especially MPP communication e ja na wo jimi a wo di trogu aban ne so ye wo power odi atro ma ni wura Ghana 14 ya bo opposition so a wo san ya yesa ma na wura Ghana 14 na e friend say ye communication team no ahwe no e ma na jimi na me bisa se sisira da power ha na Addo no mo wa ha akwa no mo ye ne den na wo jimi dodo Captain Smart jimi dodo nti me bisa se ye communication team no omo wa hia omo agai sa akwa we e ma na di toro twatoro no se wo se o ni toro Captain Smart se o ni toro nti watumi aka se between 2017 to 2024 sika ebeka MPP for nsa eye Garrett mania e we say ye de ye Accra fraud din ye se na ebe ya Accra for ho beto mo se ba se nsu yiri no mo ho beto mo no mutie de Captain Smart kan ye o si sika ebeka na Akufo Addo nsa MPP aban nsa no eye $466 million. Captain Smart $466 friends million. Wakan gu mframamu kwa. Wakan gu mframamu ama sabe Ghana for ma dwene wo from begie di say sa de we ye no kore. Emra na ye wo power. Akwa we di tro kekan sama na nim na emfata na ye communication team na ye din na omo hwe no. Ya bo opposition so a wa sha ase san ye saa biom. Captain Smart wa san sha ye saa biom na ye communication team no asa akamano atum mo hwe na management mo hwe na sama ya asay yembium emra ye san opposition na this time the Captain Smart emfa Captain Smart this time they will expose your lies ye be ma Ghana for asabi o ma dwen mu do Ghana for asabi o mo nyansa Ghana for asabi o mo pe oman Ghana yie ehunu se won sema a wo ka bia no nya no kore da ebusuya sa Garrett money and sama na ye sama friends sika Captain Smart e kan wasem no enya $466 million onim ho hwe and as a journalist onye any investigations na ba betena sebe na konya tantan na konya fon na konya fin mu no ansa na wakasa onye any investigation na enya wa because wonya nnu bi ne mponchi bi ma bi ma mu di nachi o kan no mo boje ne so man kanfo Captain Smart or yeah man kanfo. And this is the way so you teacher ni na wo kire wade ha imagine wo ba no exam so betwere amanetwa tibon ko so bi sa no Captain Smart wunni ne wo se e na wo be chi omo wunni ne wo se a se bo ma mo bra papa bi no omo na wo be chi omo enye na Akufo Addo no Bawumia ne sisila dapa ne omo a wo bo omo din no ni abra fremanom and I don't blame you me blame o because omo na mo agyawo e na wo ujimi na komo take you on kaba now kebia ka waka wanu atum ka obe kan se ma se ne ma se o se den ne ho a kire no wakotwa ntoragu na poso a ene wo pacho yi na me say papa na po se sa akwa no on dealing with him then serve as an scapegoat ema afoforo te say Captain Smart man wo ti media no so wo ginya omo nka no kore no what wo ko to figure wunnim and Captain Smart me catch you say sa Garrett money no ko bisa papa John Dramani Mahama say sa sika na wo ko 2 year $466 million ko bisa papa John Dramani Mahama ni atofo say sa $200 million sika na Garrett money na aka no say sika no ewe he go and ask them and abusuafo to set the record straight sika na Captain Smart ka no enya $466 million nemom $350 million 350 now say $350 million no na eba in two trenches World Bank and omudi say sika na ma ye say na ebe ya de be solve flood nsema ekoso won kran na ema enye sika eba bom debi enye sika eba bom first no ye koji $200 million and echire no 150 ebe kan ho sika ne kura omudi ma MPP aban say omfa ni juma ne kura no omo 100 and something enuru. Your friend is saying the amount in the crowd. I think say use over 36 to 40% of the money, and the rest of the money is sitting in the coffers of what I ato force mu any Mahama Oma ban mu that money is sitting there and a Captain Smart Jimmy any service Tibon Koso nsem no onim wabetina say wo tum futuro bu Ghana for any because of onim say Ghana for nyina Jimmy te so no na me anya me wawa so benya followers asabi oma dwen ye shallow oma dwen wo form ye kan ye na dwen wo form o metie no no ma heli no wo say obo ye be say asemesi bi din obo asemesi bi din Kevin Taylor obo ni din because obo nya no in the same class bon ni Jimmy nothing like let's investigate before we come out. I'm sorry your man come for no maka no come baby Captain Smart I'm quoting the money again. Enya 466 so 350. Now 350 ne kura no. Every before the Juma. Omo the Juma anka the akano because he cannot ever in trenches. Ever in trenches. You finding na ma you. Anka Juma dia MBPD ya e kon kan no ka NDC ba ye. Ka omo ye ya ka by now. Ka flood na esi nkran ya manfo awuwu amanfo tepade ya se no. Captain Smart ka sa de na ensi o. Ka sa de na ensi na eye me wanwa. Say MPP at your opposition. Still who blame MPP in opposition. There you MPP anya enti and I to about 80 hour na NDC aba. So why should you still blame them? You see? What Feria Mahama faili, Mahama binding we faili Ghana for 24-hour economy we faili. Polytank na we see a good cocoa farm ekabiano we faili. Women's bank no we faili. Automatic posting we faili. Lasisha exams no we faili woefully. We faili woefully. Into what ferry we near woo because paymasters no the demand and udima no boka so nti wo hu de wonye nti sa na tie de a ye ko say MPP are still our opposition ye ko say wo mo una wo hye ho no aya mu nsua de you people should learn you people should learn na Ghana enya mo de awo mo say na mo say Ghana nyame betua mo ka mako mashama manfo mawu to showers of blessing. Mashama manfo mawu amanfo jefade asai amanfo warehouse nyame free amanfo warehouse ko na makwa akogina wa hye white to showers of blessing and me bisa me ho say me bisa me kra kwa me say nti asofo na amudi a kire pa jondoma ni koto showers of blessing no omo ani age omo ho ato omo ana den na ekoso ya pa John Dramani mama ye bisa wo die na ekoso a ewuwu ne akunkum ni amanfo ebre mra obetina akonya no so no Ghana ye ho nto ye nda na Captain Smart oda pepe biribi akeka na ena wa ada so attack MPP before opposition no but Captain Smart ye catch say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wo ye den ya obeye president piao
according to Captain Kojo Smart o se senko tumia anko obechi nanado danko Akufo Addo former vice president obechi Sisila Dapa no ache honorable Patrick Boama na same way meti asie say Captain Kojo Smart na adwe isa na adwe wo form the level of thinking etia because as a critical and a regular thinker will never spew such a trash. Obia ojini ejini kwa echiri na adwi mo du enkasa ensem how ensem hasi. Captain Kojo Smart wa adwi yo se sa tete no ene ne ene ensuato President of the Republic, John Dramani Mahama, Abra no opposition or say, Nana Adodankwa Akufo Addo man sionto tieni ye enyansafo ntie enyankopo aya adom ensuo na twa mana buso ewo Mahama abreso amansuo no nyame adum ekunipa. Instead of you to say something reasonable, sensible, things that falls within the heart, asema ebe chie
abusia oyene na abo mo no. You are on TV saying this. Today, who is the president of the republic? Kwajo. Emma politics enya ode. Everybody knows say oh yeah politics. Oniema oye nyina akere. Yenim NDC na osom no we know. Asem ya we are to Ghana. Instead of you to say something na asumjie wo mu hwensem a woka. Me I wonder. Ekwan afa so tete wo ma. Captain Smart meje ekwan a obefo so atete wo ma. Die wo ma na di wanimu no. Nanado waya odei oje die na afi oluman ho. Die oye no abro so edie na opa kire ka be ka kire. Nanado danko Akufo Addo abreso. Na asem bi sei ba ni yehu se di osi control no. Na se nei asem ya ba na mu NDC fo agemo nsa na munya asebo nka. Monkoda na ye mompa ense nyankopon se o meji Ghana
Chira wa dwe fama me e wo comment section. Hi Penyah Block Media. Akra.